Hello, today we're going to be making a blacksmith guillotine tool. This is what I'm going to use for the dies. I have an abundance of this. It's not high carbon steel, but it's not mild steel either. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but I have a lot of it, so I'm going to use it to make dies. Now we're going to grind this piece so it'll fit the dimensions I need. Okay, now I have the two pieces of square stock at 15 centimeters long. This one's 17. We're going to cut this here after about a 20-degree angle across this line here. You might not be able to see it quite well. Now we need to add something to hold the piece in there. And a bottom here. We also need to probably shave some of this down. Now we're going to have two pieces like this, one here and one on the other side, down here. We're going to have a bottom and another piece like this, a little bit smaller across here. Now I've grabbed this piece which is slightly bigger than the actual die, this, but that's so it doesn't get stuck, because the die is going to be getting hot, it's going to expand, so we need a little bit of clearance. So now I'm going to weld it, and then we're going to see how well it fits. Just a couple tack welds were made. They don't need to be super strong welds either. Now, we should be able, this should be fairly loose. We want a little bit of wiggle room. Maybe not that much, but that's what it came out with. Now we need to do the top brace and then the base, so we can put it into a hardy hoe. Now, I'm going to use these two pieces of square stock, one on either side here, so this is held properly. So I'm going to clean them up quick, and then we're going to weld them on, and then we'll do the finishing work where we'll grind it all nice looking, because right now the welds are just left rough, as you can see. We'll make it look nice after, and then we'll put it to the test in the next video. The overall welding and shaping is done. Now we're just going to grind it all clean, because right now it's all very rough. And then we're going to put a base on. But let's first grind it. Time to test if this slide or punch works or fits, and then we'll cut it to the right size. Just perfect. We still need to put a base on it, and I've cleaned the rest of this up. It's very hot, so I don't want to touch it. That's why I'm using these. So yeah, let's get this cut. I've now marked out what the angle I'm doing. It's about a 20 to 30 degree angle. You only need to cut once, which is quite good. You can do a hacksaw. I'm going to do an angle grinder because that's faster. But you probably get better precision cuts with a hacksaw. Now this cut you do not want to rush, you want to have it very precise, because if you don't cut it right, the edge isn't going to meet up. It might meet up in one corner or the other, but it's not going to meet up perfectly. Okay, I've added these pieces here to make sure it doesn't move back and forward. Same thing on the other side. So this is the piece that you'd lift up. It's still a little bit hot. I knew shorten these a bit, but you'd lift up this. Metal would be hot, and then you could hit your hammer on top of this right here. So then you'd mark your metal, and you'd have different dies for different. I'll make different dies for different uses. This is just the first one.